Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install Pinterest WooCommerce in WordPress. So you want to install the Pinterest for WooCommerce WordPress. Here's a quick guide on how to do that. So for you to be able to install the WordPress for WooCommerce, you have to go to the plugin and install the Pinterest for this WooCommerce right here. Is it WooCommerce? So you have to install it from there. So go to your plugin, then search for Pinterest. Search for it, and this is right here. Like I said, make sure your plan is not on a free plan. Make sure you are already upgraded to the business plan. Then that is only when you can install this this plugin. So for you to be able to install this plugin, you have to click on it. You click on it, just give it a few seconds to do good. So if you want to install, the install button should be somewhere around this area here. But currently this account is on free version, so we definitely need to upgrade it to business plan for you to be able to connect your WooCommerce store to your catalog raw sale. So for you to be able to do that, you just have to make sure you put your plans. After that, install, then let your WooCommerce store to your Pinterest. That's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button.